Ever wonder why some people thrive well past 100, while others struggle with chronic illnesses by 50? The secret isn't a miracle cure. It's a blend of lifestyle choices, environmental influences, and modern science. By adopting simple, sustainable habits, you can increase your chances of a longer, healthier life. Let's explore the proven strategies that can help you extend your lifespan and improve your well-being. Optimize your diet for longevity. The world's longest living populations follow a plant-rich diet that promotes health and longevity. To support your body's natural defenses against aging, focus on leafy greens vegetables rich in antioxidants that fight cellular damage. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries help slow aging at the cellular level. Healthy fats. Avocados and olive oil support heart health and cognitive function. Whole grains. Legumes. Maintain steady blood sugar and improve digestion. Minimize processed foods, excess sugar, and red meat to lower the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. Research shows that a Mediterranean diet can add years to your life. Stay physically active every day. You don't need extreme workouts, just consistent, moderate movement. The healthiest communities engage in daily natural activities such as walking, cycling, at least 150 minutes of weekly aerobic exercise. Strength training preserves muscle mass and metabolic health. Yoga stretching improves posture, flexibility, and fall prevention. Sedentary lifestyles accelerate aging by shortening telomeres, the protective ends of DNA linked to longevity. Prioritizing movement strengthens your heart, muscles, and bones while boosting your energy. Build strong social connections. Loneliness can be as harmful as smoking. Staying socially connected helps reduce stress, improve mental health, and boost immune function. Try joining community groups, book clubs, sports teams, or volunteering. Prioritizing family friends. Regular interactions strengthen emotional well-being. Owning a pet increases physical activity and provides companionship. A Harvard study found that strong relationships are one of the greatest predictors of longevity. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress accelerates aging by increasing inflammation and shortening telomeres. Effective stress management techniques include meditation, deep breathing, reduces cortisol levels, and improves relaxation. Spending time in nature, just 20 minutes a day, lowers stress hormones. Engaging in hobbies. Creative activities like painting, writing, or gardening help reduce anxiety. Communities known for longevity incorporate daily relaxation rituals like prayer, naps, and mindful reflection. Prioritize sleep quality. Quality sleep is essential for cellular repair and brain health. To improve sleep, stick to a schedule. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of rest each night. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Reduce screen time before bed. Blue light disrupts your natural sleep cycle. Consistent high-quality sleep reduces the risk of Alzheimer's, heart disease, and metabolic disorders. Avoid harmful habits. Certain lifestyle choices significantly impact longevity. Reduce or eliminate smoking, a leading cause of lung disease and early mortality. Excessive alcohol consumption, linked to liver disease and cancer. Ultra-processed foods, associated with obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. By avoiding these risk factors, you allow your body's natural repair systems to function optimally. So keep your mind sharp. Mental stimulation helps maintain cognitive function and prevent age-related decline. Keep learning by reading daily. Boosts brain health and expands knowledge. Solving puzzles, playing games, enhances memory and problem-solving skills. Taking online courses keeps your mind engaged and adaptable. Neuroscientists emphasize lifelong learning as a key strategy to delay cognitive decline and strengthen brain connections. Stay on top of preventive health care. Regular checkups can detect and prevent potential health issues early. Prioritize annual physical exams. Monitor key health markers like blood pressure and cholesterol. Cancer screenings. early detection saves lives. Vaccinations strengthen your immune system against preventable diseases. Preventive care can significantly lower the risk of serious health conditions and improve longevity. 9. Find purpose and meaning in life. Having a strong sense of purpose is linked to lower stress, better mental health, and longer life. Discover your purpose through volunteering. Helping others fosters fulfillment and reduces depression. Pursuing passion projects, whether it's writing, music, or a creative hobby. Setting small daily goals provides motivation and a sense of accomplishment. Studies show that people with a clear sense of purpose live longer and maintain better overall well-being. 10. Foster a positive mindset. Optimism has been scientifically linked to better heart health and a longer lifespan. Cultivate positivity by practicing gratitude, a daily habit of appreciating the good in life, reframing challenges, viewing obstacles as opportunities for growth, surrounding yourself with positivity, limit exposure to negativity. Optimistic individuals tend to live 11 to 15% longer than those with a negative outlook. Your blueprint for longevity. A longer, healthier life is built on small, consistent choices. By prioritizing nutrition, movement, relationships, stress management, and preventive care, you can add years to your life and life to your years. Join the wellness movement. If these tips inspire you, share this guide with someone who wants to improve their health and longevity. For more expert-backed insights, subscribe to Harmony of Hope and be part of a thriving community focused on well-being and vitality. By integrating cutting-edge science